Welcome to the shift left experience.
This is why we need critical thinking.
Have you ever stopped to question how reliable the information you consume daily is? We live in an era of unceasing information bombardment where we spend on an average 151 minutes a day on social media sifting through a deluge of data. But have you ever paused to ponder the quality, the reliability of this information? Consider the deepfake videos and images that are becoming increasingly prevalent. Remember the fabricated video of an attack on the White House that caused a temporary market loss of $136.5 billion? Or the fake images of Pope Francis generated by an artificial intelligence and circulated around the internet? We are surrounded by illusions that play in front of our eyes daily, subtly shaping our biases and decision-making processes. In an era of deepfakes and information overload, the ability to think critically about the information we consume is more crucial than ever. The deepfake video of the attack on White House in 2013. Let's take a moment to unpack that. A fabricated video and artificial reality had the power to shake the very foundations of our financial markets. The temporary loss in the market cap of the S&P 500 alone totaled a staggering $136.5 billion. That wasn't just a glitch in the matrix. That was the chilling power of misinformation at work. And it doesn't stop at the stock market. Doctored videos and images about world events, riots, financial markets, geopolitics, they all can show discord, ignite unrest, and tip the balance of power. They can alter perceptions, shape narratives, and even rewrite history. The danger of misinformation is real and immediate. It's not just about a good laugh at a fake image anymore. With the rise of deepfakes and the surge of information, how do we filter what's true and what's not? The question is not just rhetoric, it's an urgent call to action in today's information age. We are bombarded with data every second, every minute. But how much of it is real? How much of it is appropriate or even necessary? Now more than ever, we need to sharpen our critical thinking skills. It's not just about being able to spot a photoshopped image or a deepfake video. It's about discerning the truth from the half-truths, the facts from the alternative facts. It's about making informed decisions, not just reacting to the latest headline. Because let's face it, in a world where illusions play in front of our eyes daily, there's no better time than now to invest in our ability to think critically. Not only social media, but even in the corporates, as systems get better with intelligent automation, artificial intelligence, big data, the Internet of Things. As these systems improve and get more efficient, their human abilities go on a decline, and especially the cognitive function of critical thinking. And this is where, with the shift left experience, we bring in the training and workshops of critical thinking into corporates, into educational institutions, for students and employees to learn the biases that come along when a machine provides you an answer and what is the kind of decision that you should take. Please remember, the artificial intelligence systems, machine learning, deep learning, big data, these are in the nascent stages right now. Yes, they will get better, they will improve with time. But as of now, there are high possibilities that they might not give you the accurate result. And even if they give you the accurate result, what are the underlying factors which they have considered to get you these results to the fore? Should you therefore blindly follow those results and make your decision, or should you wait, question, and then move forward? Therefore, we help students and employees build the essence of cognitive bias, the critical thinking, and importantly, help them build mental models, effective mental models that will help them with thinking clearly, with problem solving of important issues or working on important projects, and with the decision making ability. The time to invest in critical thinking is now.